Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Instant Insights and I am so glad you're here. I started hand lettering in 2016 when it was a difficult time and I needed something to help remind me how to be happy. Since then, I've gone all in on hand lettering and I've done many different things with it, but my favorite by far is teaching you how to create hand lettering that feels like your best self. One way that I'm going to show you that is through a hand lettering journal. A hand lettering journal is just a journal with your lettering. And in this class, you're going to create your very own. First, you're going to learn what you need to start your own hand lettering journal and how to use it as a mindfulness practice while also improving your lettering. You'll get ideas for how to stay motivated when you don't have time or don't know what to letter. We'll cover what supplies you need to start your own hand lettering journal. And then I'm going to give you a 7-day challenge to actually get you started filling up your journal. In the challenge, you'll get 7 guided prompts with simple tutorials to help you learn and practice the basics of hand lettering. And each day will take less than 10 minutes because I know how busy life can get. By the end of this class, you'll have a hand lettering journal with 7 pages already filled. So you're creating this beautiful lettering, you're writing words that you want to hear, that you want to believe to be true in your life. And as you're lettering them, they can kind of become true. That's what hand lettering can do for you, and that's what I want to help you with. As for the time commitment, you could watch all of these videos straight through in less than an hour. If you have only 10 minutes a day, come back each day to work your way through. A hand lettering journal is a way to start being gentle with yourself and working with the season of life that you're in right now. Don't let time be the thing stopping you from taking care of yourself and your creativity. If you're ready to start hand lettering in a way that feels like your best self, let's get started.